Right here, though, of course, is the ad on V-WAP, still in the trade. Remember, V-WAP to 850, 75-cent move is our jam, right? Nice buyers got stacked right there. That's a nice buyer set right there. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's go. Come on, get up there. It's dancing with 850. Come on. Look at this thing. Waiting on APM. It keeps touching 850. I'm still in the trade, just so you know. I had a couple opportunities above here to make some small money, but I'd like to see this pop 850 up around 867, which would put about $300-400 in my pocket. But this was a beautiful scalp. VWAP to 850. 19 million shares pouring into APM. That's beautiful. On a flow of 2.5 million. There's your VWAP move again. You guys notice VWAP continues to climb to the upside look, right? Because the stock continues to stair step up. Everybody seeing this?
Yes, yes.
So this, though, is starting to channel on VWAP. Just be careful. Make sure you have your stops in place. Nobody gets your faces wrecked. I got buyers at 790. Big buyers at 790. That's bullish. Yep, same thing down here, VWAP. 790. Yep, come on. Let's see this pop. Yep, starting to get buyers coming in. Here we go. Let's go. 790, that's where they're all sitting. This is looking good. 780 is getting support. The longer this is staying up here bullish, the more buyers will come in, right? And then somebody will come in, it'll buy this pop, break down some of these small walls, and that's when you make the next move to the upside.